Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so transactions can proceed. First, make sure the network and custom RPC settings match the DApp. Mismatches cause immediate failures. Next, confirm your wallet balance covers gas fees plus a 20% buffer to avoid rejections. Once done, restart the Metamask extension or mobile app to clear temporary glitches. If a stuck transaction shows, reset the account non-C in settings. This avoids double spends. These steps get you ready for adjustment, and you now tune the transaction parameters to push it through. Open the pending transaction and edit gas price and gas limit. Raising gas price by 10 to 30% often forces miners to pick it. If replacing a stuck send, create a new transaction with the identical non-C so the network treats it as a replacement. Make sure to select a reliable RPC endpoint. Swap from a slow custom node to a known public node if you see timeouts. Finally, submit and watch the mempool propagation. You finish by confirming the transaction and preparing fallback options. Check the block explorer for confirmations and gas usage to ensure success. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to appear. If errors persist, export your seed safely and import it into another compatible wallet to test sending. This isolates Metamask-specific issues. Make sure to reset the Metamask account only after you have your seed phrase securely stored. Resetting removes non-C history but does not affect funds. That one tip prevents
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.